Hello, this is Samie and I welcome you all to eAcademe from the platform of CA Educationist. Target costing is one of the concepts taught in the area of cost and management accounting across different accountancy bodies. Target costing is one of the approaches or costing systems that is used to ascertain the target cost of making a product based on our market competitive price. Target costing system is adopted by those organizations that operate in a highly competitive environment. If you operate in a competitive market, it is understandable that you cannot set a high price for your product. Otherwise, customers will switch to alternative products unless your product offers a competitive advantage that justifies the high price. Imagine that you planned to produce and sell a chair with a certain specifications and the market of this chair is highly competitive. You adopted a traditional approach of estimating the total costs of making and selling the chair, which was $800. When you added your desired profit margin of $400 to the cost, the chair was priced at $1,200. When you approached the market to sell your chair at this price, you came to know that every competitor is selling the same chair for $1,100, and no customer was interested in buying your chair as it had no extraordinary feature to justify the additional price of $100. Therefore, target costing requires you to first set a target price of your product based on what price your competitors are charging for the same product as that of yours. After that, you have to determine the desired profit margin that you wish to achieve on your product. Once you adjust your desired profit margin from your target price, the target cost is determined. This is the cost that you must now strive to achieve over a period of time to ensure that you achieve your desired profit margin, because you cannot afford to sell at a price higher than the target price. Now, continuing with our example, based on study of the product and market survey, you determined the target price of your chair to be $1,100. Once you adjust your desired profit margin of $400 from this target price, your target cost would be $700. The difference between your initial cost estimate of $800 and this target cost of $700 is called the cost gap. Now you must strive to minimize this cost gap and produce your product within the target cost of $700 if you wish to achieve your desired profit margin of $400. This would be possible through application of effective cost reduction techniques and improving technologies and processes. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos, keep watching the series of eAcademe from the platform of CA Educationist by Samie. For any queries, you may WhatsApp or email at the given contact details.